do appear with Mr. Washika for the respondent.
Any other appearance?
Mr. Mutula Moses Jr. is also appearing in this matter. He's present before court. Mr. Masset is also present. He appears with Ms. Lumala from the Council of Government.
Mr. Masset, you are for the...
Moi Teaching and Referral.
Sorry?
Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital.
Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital. Okay. Mr. Chenge, you should address the court.
My lady, the respondents are in court. The second to 8 respondents are in court this morning. My lady, I'm aware that indeed the suspended sentence is lapsing this morning. But my lady, we humbly beg that you allow us proceed and prosecute our application dated the 24th of January 2017. And my lady, the sole reason that we humbly beg you allow us to prosecute that particular application is that the law in terms of section 32 of the Contempt of Court Act 2016 provides that the High Court shall have power to review its own order, and number 2 says pending the review of that order under section 1, the High Court may order that the execution of the punishment or order be reviewed or be suspended. My lady, on that particular basis, we humbly beg that we proceed and you hear our application to review your orders of 12th of January 2017. My lady, I'm aware that all parties have indeed filed their responses towards that particular application. And my lady, our humble request is that you proceed and hear us. Only to state, my lady, that as we have stated before, that we have already filed an appeal in this matter, and therefore, my lady, if the contemners are jailed, then the appeal will definitely be rendered nugatory. My lady, we therefore humbly beg that you hear our application.
Let's hear from the respondent.
My lady, for the interested party, we have filed grounds of opposition dated 30th January. We are ready to proceed with that application, but my lady,
Grounds of opposition dated
30th January, and we are ready to proceed with the application, my lady. But my lady, on the issue of contempt, my lady would urge that the respondents purge the contempt first before we proceed with the application.
Yes, that is from the AG. Mala.
My lady, we have also filed grounds of opposition. The same are dated 30th of January 2017. And even in terms of the act they seek to rely upon, its commencement date is 13th of January. We're talking about a matter that commenced on 1st of December 2016. And we are dealing with contemners whose arrogance is shocking even to this court and to the people of Kenya who are no longer standing even sympathetic to their cause. I join my fellow counsel from the Office of the Attorney General in cementing the position that we shall not proceed with this application unless the court directs us otherwise. We are ready to stand here and discuss the issue of contempt of court and the conduct of the contemners. But surely today is the day of the court. We have seen how they have acted continuously. You gave them 5 more days. I mean, no one can be more lenient than yourself, my lady, to these union officials. So, for me, we are ready to prosecute, but we need to deal with the issue of contempt. For over 57 days now, we have been entertained by drama, unfortunate macabre drama by the doctors' union officials. So for now, I think the issue of contempt and purging of the contempt needs to be discussed first before we deal with any other thing. The image of this honorable court is at stake, and the court knows how best to restore its image. And therefore, that is the point in which we need to start today's proceeding. Thank you.
Mr. Assessor, I can't see you. Counsel, I want to request if you could allow them to prosecute so that you come later, because your matter is not the one proceeding now.
To the application taking review of your order that you issued last year. I'm ready to proceed with the application for review. Because as we speak, it's an application for review pending. So there are no orders as we speak. To the contrary, that the contemners are not guilty, and that as we speak right now, actually they're in custody. So that one is not a question. So the question here is, we can proceed with that application for review of the orders. The court can make an order to review these orders or not. That one we don't have. Ours is to plead to the court that the same should not be allowed. But we can proceed with that application. But as we stand, the position of the legal position is that the contemners, as we speak right now, they're in the hands of either committee or I don't know where. So we can proceed with the application. I have no problem with that.
Back to Mr. Jenny. Back to you.
Much obliged. My lady, the contemners have already been punished. And what they are seeking is a review of the order, so they can proceed and have their appeal determined in the Court of Appeal. And therefore, it's a review pending a certain action, which counsel is aware of. My lady, the court has jurisdiction, indeed, to proceed and review its own orders, and even to make another order for suspension of the sentence. Even if we have the contemners have already been punished, and therefore if we say that the court cannot review its orders, then we are limiting the jurisdiction of the court. You will notice, my lady, that from the application for review, we have demonstrated the effort.
You want to demonstrate now?
Indeed, and no response has been. The Council of Governors or the MTRH has not made any response towards showing a demonstration on their part towards solving a particular matter. And therefore, my lady, we humbly beg that you allow us to prosecute our application and attempt to demonstrate the length at which the clients have gone towards determining this particular matter.
Mr. Chenga, I hope as you make your application, you'll be demonstrating to this court the length at which your clients have gone towards calling off the strike. That is the matter that is before me. The length at which you have gone towards calling off the strike. And if that is the position, I'll hear you. So don't go into other issues that do not concern the strike and the calling of the strike. That's what I'll be hearing today.
Much obliged.
So that your clients are not condemned and heard, I'll hear you. The others have already filed their grounds of opposition. They'll have a chance to reply. And this court will make a determination. So the case is in your court.
My lady, I will humbly beg you grant me 10 minutes in order that I can come and proceed. I've just been served this morning with the grounds of opposition from Mr. Masesi, with the list of authorities. I've not gone through them. I therefore humbly beg you grant me at least an hour to go and to proceed and look at this documentation.
1 hour?
Much obliged.
You said 1 hour? 1 hour?
1 hour is enough.
Can we give you 30 minutes?
Much obliged.
The court will be proceeding with this application at 10 a.m. We'll proceed with the other matters on the first week. The court is proceeding for mention. You can't hear you.
For mention, cosa number 9 to take of business, here,
my name is Momonde. I was for the restaurant. The farm of Otieno Aruni comes for the claimant. The matter is coming from filing of written submission, but we have filed our application. We have filed our application dated the 6th of January. It was filed under certificate of urgency. And in that application, my lady is leave to be allowed to defend the suit. On the 6th of January 2017. Maybe my lady can have the election.
Yeah, are the respondents here?
It seems that there is no appearance. They claimant.
Have you served them?
Yes, we serve them on that.
Can I have your return of service?
Wamepewa wana. Malika huko ndani kwa obi. Kujeni tu consult haraka. Kwa sawa? Quick consultation on the breakfast. Na hapo sasa nini? Hata mimi basi. Sasa huko ndo nakula. No problem. No problem. Inategemea. Maji mko na njaa. Hey.